Today, I'm going to share 3 simple steps to arranging your home decor accessories. Whether you're a seasoned decorator or just starting out, these tips will help you create a harmonious and visually appealing space. When arranging your home decor accessories, think about harmony and contrast. Choose items that complement each other in terms of decor. At the same time, don't be afraid to add contrast by incorporating pieces that stand out and add visual interest to the space. Consider the scale and shape of your accessories. Mix different sizes and shapes to create a dynamic arrangement. For example, pair a tall, slender vase with a round sculpture to add variety. This will prevent your decor from looking monotonous and add a sense of balance to the space. Lastly, don't forget to layer and soften your decor. Use items like throw blankets, pillows, and rugs to add layers and soften the overall look. This will make your space feel inviting and cozy, while also adding depth and dimension to the arrangement. By following these 3 steps, you can easily arrange your home decor accessories to create a visually stunning and well-balanced space. Have fun experimenting and let your creativity shine.